good, YouTube? I'm Amir Best, and welcome back to my channel. And as you saw, I'm drinking some tea. And yes, woo, that tastes real good. Some sugar-free French vanilla, awesome. And of course, some green tea with pomegranate, and some turmeric, peach, and meringue. Alright, I'm about to go to the gym and do a shoulder workout, of course with some traps. I'm gonna hit this neck up with some abs and some cardio, then I'm out of there. Hey, what's going on, guys? Back with another voiceover, and you guys saw the title, so I'm gonna be talking about it. So the basic gym accessories, okay? And I got 5 of them. Matter of fact, 5.5 or 5.5. So the first one we're gonna talk about is gonna be headphones, okay? Gotta have some good headphones. Now I think this is like 100% around the board for everybody. Majority of people I see when I go to the gym, they got some headphones on. If they didn't, it's probably because they forgot them. So number 1, get some decent headphones. Don't get any cheap ones. Get some ones that's gonna be good. I get mine from Walmart. They're pretty good. I forget the name of the actual headphones that I got, but they work really good. The Bluetooth ones. Number 2, of course, gonna be a gym bag. If you got gym accessories, you gotta have something to carry it in. So you're gonna need a gym bag. Okay. Now you don't need to go crazy and spend a ton of money on a duffel bag that's like you buy like 30 or 40 bucks. You don't need. Well, at least for me, it's not a necessity to be spending that much money on a duffel bag. It's just a bag. You're gonna put things in it. You're gonna throw on the ground. You know what I mean? Why pay a lot of money for that? So number 2, like I said, gym bag. Number 3, it's gonna be wrist wraps / lifting straps. Now wrist wraps are different than lifting straps. So the wrist wraps are if you're pushing something, right? So basically they go around your thumb and then tie around your wrist. Okay, so if you're pushing something and you got little skinny wrists, a little delicate right here, a little hurt, get some straps. They also have elbow straps and knee straps also. I don't dabble in that. It's not necessary. I've used the wrist wraps and also the lifting straps. Okay. Now, like I said, the wrist wraps goes over the thumb and it protects you from when you're pushing things. Now, the lifting straps are the ones that bring you and pull. Okay, so you're gonna be using that also. Number 4 is gonna be a neck harness. Okay, you always want to use a neck harness. You don't want to have a skinny neck, big traps, big chest. It just don't look right. Stupid. Number 5 is going to be a lifting belt. Now, I don't use a lifting belt, but very, very necessary because other people don't have the same body I do. I just work out completely, so I don't think I need it. Not right now, at least. Not with the weight that I squat. It's not necessary. But I believe most people that go to the gym, they do get a lifting belt. So go get one. Try it out. Maybe you like it, maybe you won't. Okay? And that's my list of basic gym accessories that you should be using in the gym, or you should be having when you go to the gym. Alright guys, that's all I got to say for right now. I'm just gonna let this beautiful bean footage roll. Alright guys, I'm back from the gym and show you what I'm eating right now. It's some broccoli, some plant-based ground, 3 servings of plant-based ground, 18 grams of protein, and some salsa. And that's about it. Regular schmegler. Actually, the reason why I'm eating that right now, honestly, is because I forgot to go shopping for some food shopping for some fish. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked the video, actually like it, comment, subscribe. I got your boy.